Hey guys, so today we're gonna be I just got a package from an online website, and as you can see right there, I blacked out the address just so you guys can see it. I don't want anyone else to know about this, so let me just open this right now. I was actually expecting this already. Here it is. These are white keycaps. These are white keycaps right here, as you can see. Oops. These are white keycaps right here. Now, if you might be wondering, Fusikun, why do you have these keycaps? Well, the thing about this is that I love to change my keycaps, and that, you know, I have this hold on, give me a few seconds here. I have this right here.
I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling.
Now all we gotta do is the numbers and everything else. So yeah, I'll go do that now. Alright boys, the final 3 keys right here. The final 3 keys to complete the keyboard. X, Z, and last but not least, the shift key. Let's go boys. And there we have it. My new mechanical keyboard with white RGB with the white keycaps. It looks much more amazing than I thought it'd be. Holy.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it.
Oh my gosh, boys. Oh my gosh, boys. You could not believe this. Oh my god, boys, lads. Boys, lads, holy. Boys, lads. Boys, lads, boys, lads. Boys, lads, boys, lads. Oh my gosh, boys, lads. Alright, so that was pretty much it. I'll probably be having fun with this new keyboard of mine. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.